Mike Gooch Productions here in Staten Island, New York on October 29th, 2011. October 29th, New York City. It's snowing. And it's coming down pretty hard. And it's starting to stick. Mother Nature is running wild. We have not even gotten to Halloween, and yet we have snow. I cannot wait until December, January, and February, because it could be ruckus again for the second year in a row. Again, October 29th, 2011, New York City, Staten Island, New York. We're here at South Shore Golf Course, and the snow is coming down, and the snow is sticking. Gooch Productions, bringing it to you. Peace.